What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video on this channel. It's your boy Gabby Pro. This is my first time making a video on this channel with my face on it. So not to waste so much time, as you've already seen on the thumbnail, we're going to be making an intro real quick so fast. So not to waste so much time, let's get straight to it. So as you can see in front of us here, I have some songs that I've selected, having like 9 songs, so 100 BPM. So let's first go 100 BPM right now, but if we need to change, we're just going to change it later. So let's start with this song here, Chiyoganda Chima. So as you remember, I've been talking on other videos. You come here, beat map, put the BPM to 99 as you already named them. Then pull this stuff here to be on the start. So then so let's scratch here and not to waste so much time. But seems like the BPM is not matching. In case it's not matching, you come back and open virtual again. After you open virtual, pick that song and put there and see the BPM. It's 99.04. So then come and write here 99.04. So then everything is going to match. So now let's scratch this. Let's first put a simple scratch to start it. Control X, Control Z, Control Z, Control V. Make this one short, then Control, copy all of them, then select the middle one, plus on your keyboard, like maybe 6 times, then press U to reverse, then we can cover and pick maybe a drop to put there. Let's see this one. DJ. Nah, that one don't work. I don't think so.
Drop that fucking beat. Drop that.
Let's check this one.
Drop that fucking beat. Oh, your boy DJ Gabby Pro.
If you drop a effect, remember to put it on one shot because it will sound bad. If you don't put it there, it will sound so fast.
Drop that fucking beat. Oh, your boy DJ Gabby Pro. The crowd mover. The crowd mover. The crowd mover. Your boy DJ Gabby Pro. DJ Gabby Pro.
So then let's put this down. Control Q to put the, then you come and add the effects. I like using flange wah and equalization. So in equalization, remove the bass. Then here I just come and select the preset of slow playing. So that's how I always do mine.
Drop that fucking beat. Drop that fucking beat. Oh, your boy DJ Gabby Pro.
Then let's drop another song from there. Which song can we drop? Let's first check this one. These are all new songs. That's why I have to go slow. You understand? Because I'm not sure which one is going to fit exactly. So I'm just picking any. So we cut from there and pick and put it here, pull it. So release this. Then come here, press S, Ctrl X, Ctrl Z, then start creating your scratch. these ones, put the middle one, add the plus, then the reverse, then come and pull this one. So I think we go with this one. So let's listen to this. So release this. So after, we're going to make like a double spin, as I always say in my old videos. Then scratch here. Take it down and scratch. Just come and copy this, select this selection tool and copy this, press Ctrl X and Ctrl Z, come back to pen tool and come and paste it here. Then listen. Like that. So yeah, let's just drop another song. Let's drop Virota. That's 89 BPM, very slow. So let's just drop it there. So this one we're going to put it down. So there, that space you can leave it to maybe put like effects, but you can also drop another song. Let's drop this one. Right now I'm still at the level of just, because these are new songs, so I'm not sure how they're all sounding. That's why I'm still selecting them, like making them, arranging them. Then after, I'm going to start scratching in the middle of them. So you don't have to rush with it. You have to first start with arranging them for the new songs that you're not aware of how they sound. So I think we're going to cut that one from there. So we're going to bring it like this, like we are bringing Virota, then we disappear it. Let's make a cut here. You have to make sure that these things are online. If they're not online, they will disturb you the way mine has already started disturbing me. Make a cut. And then let's scratch here. Then we take this down, then we bring it back again from here. song is not matching, so let's drop another song because I'm not having enough time. I have to do something else. I will just show you guys something later today. Let's drop another song. This one is at BPM of 100.
Umugore wange munangeze wampa nazigula mu pampa sente za piru munangeze wampa mpita musiru omutole to sente za piru musiru omupe akali mulo butore pa bita bisitole to mpita musiru.
Let's cut from there and bring it here.
Mpita musiru omutole mpita musiru omutole tole.
Not matching. Let's get another one. Karokasita. Let's check this one if it will help us.
Yo.
Okay, I think I know that song.
Yo, Caro. Yo, Caro. This is unusual. I wanna go.
Then let's make a cut here.
Go. Inside.
Copy this and put it behind here.
Side of you, go see Gabby.
Put it down.
I wanna go.
And let's scratch this.
Side of you, go see Gabby.
Scratch here, paste, and pull this, make it small. Just copy and paste. When your hands is on control on keyboard, don't leave control. Then this one plus on your keyboard and reverse. Then put this one here and pull this.
Go. Inside of you, go see Gabby blows on my lips, on my neck.
So now we have at least arranged something. Let's try to scratch in the middle.
Drop that fucking beat. It's your boy DJ Gabby Pro. Yo, Caro, this is unusual. I wanna go side of you.
Let's try to scratch here. Let's make a cut in the middle. Make some small ones here. Then select all of it and hit Control plus 2 times, then it should be on 24. Then you'll play on here. And here you can put any drop because it's going too boring.
DJ Gabby Pro.
After putting a drop, you have to press script properties one shot.
DJ Gabby Prosper in the house. UG. Yo,
Reduce the volume.
DJ Gabby Prosper in the house. UG.
Yo, Caro. This is unusual.
Make a cut here. Cut more here.
I wanna go side of you. No cigar.
There you can copy this first effect and put it there.
Drop that fucking beat. Hum. Oaks your boy DJ Gabby Pros.
Inside of you. No cigar lip gloss on my lips.
Drop that fucking beat. Hum. Oaks your boy DJ Gabby Pros. DJ Gabby Prosper in the house. UG.
Yo, Caro. This is unusual. I wanna go
Drop that fucking beat. Hum. Oaks your boy DJ Gabby Pros.
Inside of you. No cigar lip gloss on my lips. On my neck. On my body. Oh, my basic moyo.
Thank you for watching. That was a test of the camera, and you can see the way it's really disturbing. We're going to come back with more video. Make sure you like, subscribe. More videos are coming now of Acid. Yeah, that was a test. I call it compressions for idiots. Okay, see you in the next video.